Beethoven's Dark Secret: How a Deaf Man Composed Masterpieces. Ludwig van Beethoven was a talented young musician. He loved to play the piano and write music. People admired his passionate and powerful playing. He dreamed of becoming a great composer. But something terrible started to happen. Beethoven began to lose his hearing. At first, it was a buzzing in his ears. Slowly, it became harder and harder to hear the music around him, even his own playing. This was his dark secret, a composer going deaf. Beethoven became more and more isolated. How could a musician live without hearing? He felt despair. But inside him, the music was still alive. He learned to feel the vibrations of the instruments. He would put his ear close to the piano to sense the notes. Even though he was almost completely deaf, Beethoven continued to compose. He could hear the music in his mind. He wrote down his ideas note by note, creating beautiful and powerful symphonies, sonatas, and quartets. His deafness became his secret strength. Beethoven's music touched the hearts of many. Even though he could not fully hear his own masterpieces, he knew he had created something extraordinary. His story shows us that even when things are difficult, we can still achieve great things with passion and determination. Beethoven's dark secret led to some of the most beautiful music the world has ever known.